Operating instructions for the Tommygate Tuckunder Series TKL models. To begin using the lift, activate the control. To lower the platform, stand clear of the lift and hold down on the toggle control switch. The platform will rotate under the truck as the liftgate lowers. Once the liftgate arms are touching the ground, stand to one side and unfold the platform. To raise the platform, stand off to one side and hold the toggle switch up. The platform will raise flush with the bed extension. After using the lift, lower the platform back to load level. To close the platform, fold the platform extension closed and the entire folded platform up against the roller arm. Hold up on the control toggle switch until the entire platform rotates up into the stowed position. Once the lift is properly stowed, deactivate the control. Before operating any Tommygate hydraulic lift, be sure to thoroughly read the corresponding owner's manual. All Tommygate owner's manuals are available at tommygate.com. For more information, please contact Tommygate customer service at 1-800-LIFTGATE.